So students, in our previous video lecture, we studied about rate of reaction, average rate of reaction, instantaneous rate of reaction, how how rate of reaction decreases with respect to reactant and how it increases with respect to product. So suppose in a certain chemical reaction, in a given chemical equation, stoichiometry coefficient is involved, means SC, stoichiometry coefficient is involved. So how we'll gonna frame a rate for that particular reaction? Here I will include two important terms, that is rate of disappearance and rate of appearance. Disappearance means same thing, rate of reaction decreasing. Appearance means what? Rate of reaction increasing. Decreasing means in terms of reactant. Increasing means in terms of product. Means in a certain chemical reaction, reactant is disappearing or disappearance, whatever, and product is appearing or appearance. प्रोडक्ट का अपीयरेंस देखेंगे आप और रिएक्टेंट का क्या देखेंगे? डिसअपीयरेंस देखेंगे. तो उसके रिस्पेक्ट में हम रेट ऑफ डिसअपीयरेंस एंड रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस को इंक्लूड करेंगे. रेट ऑफ डिसअपीयरेंस मींस रिएक्टेंट इज डिक्रीजिंग एंड रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस मींस प्रोडक्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग. सो हियर one chemical reaction that is manufacturing of ammonia by Haber process I took, and this is very common example for your board exam. Examiner is going to ask so many questions with this example only na. So N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 ammonia. What is N2? N2 के सामने क्या मिला है आपको? 1 मिला है. Sc of N2 is कितना? 1. Sc of H2 is कितना? 3. and Sc of NH3 is कितना? 2. What is reactant? N2 and H2. And what is product? Ammonia. Ammonia is product. Here Sc equal to 1, Sc equal to 3 and Sc equal to 2. ये आप लिख लेंगे अपनी नोटबुक में सेपरेट करके. Now reactant हमेशा डिक्रीज करेगा and product will appear, product will increase ना. तो rate with respect to these reactant and product how will modify? तो रेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू नाइट्रोजन, इन फ्रंट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन स्टोइचियोमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट इज 1, सो दैट whatever the value is here, whatever the value for stoichiometric coefficient, जो भी वैल्यू stoichiometric coefficient का होगा उसको आप किस में लिखेंगे? इन with upon 1 by 1, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Remember ये हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा और 1 के अपॉन में जाएगा, लाइक 1 by 1, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So for nitrogen it is minus 1 by 1 and dN2 by dt, same as we did in our first video lecture of chemical kinetics. Minus 1 by 1 means 1 is stoichiometric coefficient of nitrogen. So this one is here, minus 1 by 1. What is why minus? माइनस बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन इज डिसअपियरिंग. नाइट्रोजन क्या होता है? इट इज डिक्रीजिंग ना. तो माइनस 1 by 1 dN2 by dt. व्हाट इज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट रिप्रेजेंट मोलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पीसीज, वेदर इट इज रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट. नाउ with respect to hydrogen it is minus 1 by 3. what is Hc of hydrogen? Remember it is 3, right? So I will write 1 by 3. Why minus? Minus is again it is reactant, and reactant is decreasing or reactant decreased in particular chemical reaction, so that I put minus. Minus 1 by 3. 3 is clear na? Why I put 3 as 1 by 3? Because whatever the value of stoichiometric coefficient, I have to frame it is in the form of upon 1 by that particular value, so that it is 1 by 3. And dH2 by dt, H2 is again in square bracket, which means it is its molar concentration. So it is rate of disappearance with respect to hydrogen, and it is rate of disappearance with respect to nitrogen. Now what about ammonia. Ammonia is product. So remember students, when product will come, it will be plus, and when reactant is there, it will be minus. What is the SC value for ammonia? Ammonia is NH3, and stoichiometric coefficient, that is SC for NH3, it is 2. So I put plus 1 by 2. Why plus 1 by 2? 1 is fixed and upon value is stoichiometric coefficient, plus 1 by 2. It is dNH3 by dt, ammonia in square bracket. It is what? Rate of disappearance? No, it is rate of appearance with respect to ammonia. Product is appearing and reactant is disappearing. Remember this one. So if we will club all these value in the form of rate, we will find rate equal to minus 1 by 1 dN2 by dt equal to, remember, all parameter will be equal. Minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt equal to plus 1 by 2 dNH3 by plus dNH3 by dt. dNH3 by dt here, right? तो remember हमें क्या करना है, all stoichiometric coefficient को अपॉन में लिखना है. Suppose if N2 is 1 तो मैंने 1 लिख दिया, is 3 then I written 3, and for ammonia it is 2. But minus and plus are very important. Minus is for reactant and plus is for product, right? And we have to equal all the reactants and product together, right? So suppose we are going for next example, that is example number 2, where SO2, O2 and SO3, and here already it is given that stoichiometric coefficient of SO2 is 2, O2 is what? It is 1. We can mention. And what about SO3? It is 2. So again SO2 is reactant, O2 is reactant, and SO3 is product. So what is the number of stoichiometric coefficient for SO2? It is 2. So I return 1 by 2 in terms of minus, na, dSO2 by dt minus 1 by 2. Here for oxygen it would be no, minus 1 by, it is minus 1 by 1. What is this? Minus, why minus 1 by 1? Because in front of dioxygen or oxygen Sc is 1. So 1 will be here. And for SO3 it would be plus 1 by 2, because 2 is stoichiometric coefficient of SO3, and in terms of upon 1 by 2 I can write. But remember SO3, SO2 and O2 will be in square sorry, will be in square bracket. So this is very common concept. You can design rate of any reaction in which stoichiometric coefficient is involved. Now one example or one problem from CBSE 2018 exam board exam, directly value can be differ but the format is बिल्कुल same ना. तो if rate of appearance of ammonia in Haber process is कितना, देखिए rate of appearance means प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू दिया है आपको कितना, 2.0 10 to the power minus 2 and unit is there mole per liter per second. What will be the rate of disappearance of H2? Very important question, and first numerical for your board exam is starting from here. So just first you have to put, you have to maintain, you have to manage your equation. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 ammonia. इसको आप क्या कर लीजिए, रट लीजिए इस रिएक्शन को, बिकॉज ये रिएक्शन बहुत कॉमन है और केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में फ्रीक्वेंटली ये एग्जांपल यूज होता है. सो N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 ammonia. अगेन आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले you will design that stoichiometric relation with rate. N2 is 1, H2 is 3 and ammonia is 2. For reactant it is minus and for product it is plus. Now what is given? Remember आपको इस वैल्यू को इग्नोर करके गिवन एंड आस्क्ड यू हैव टू राइट. गिवन क्या, rate of appearance of ammonia means dNH3 by dt, and plus indicates rate of appearance and minus indicates rate of disappearance. So plus dNH3 by dt equal to 2.0 10 to the power minus 2. ये वैल्यू कहाँ से आया? It comes from question direct problem ना. Plus rate of appearance for what? It is for ammonia, value is itna. What is asked? Rate of disappearance of H2. That means minus dH2 by dt is asking here. minus dH2 by dt is going to ask in this problem. So just you have to equal these parameters together, right? So we can write minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt from here. It is equal to plus 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt. Suppose in this question H2 is asking. अगर ऐसा होता N2 is asking तो आप इस जगह पे क्या पुट करते? You should put the value of nitrogen. It would be minus 1 by 1 dN2 by dt equal to 1 by 2 dH3 by dt. Means ये सारे parameters both are equal to each other. Means this term can be equal to this term can be equal to this, and this term can be equal to this, right? So any relation you can manage. Now put the value. What is given? It is asked, it is given. So I put dNH3 by dt कितना? 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. And in front of ammonia, it is written plus 1 by 2. So I write here, already I written here 1 by 2. And 1 by 3 for dH2 by dt. तो next process में आपको क्या करना है? You have to transfer this 1 by 3 right side, because we have to calculate minus dH2 by dt, not minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt. Remember, you have to shift that particular value of stoichiometric coefficient to next side, because we are going to calculate only that particular term dH2 by dt, not 1 by 3 dH2 by dt. That means you have to transfer that 1 by 3 right side. Means 1 by 2 to 2 10 to the power minus 2, and this 1 by 3 sorry, this 1 by 3 excuse me, this 1 by 3 is transferring in form of 3 by 1, so that further you can design 3 by 2, 2 10 to the power minus 2, and when you are going to solve, 2 cancel, answer will be 3 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter per second. This is the exact answer of rate of disappearance of hydrogen. What is this? This is rate of disappearance of hydrogen. अगर आप इसको इतना लिख के छोड़ देंगे, that means 1 by 3 dH2 by dt, गलत हो जाएगा. आपको इस सम को, इस वैल्यू को ट्रांसफर करना है नेक्स्ट साइड, एंड जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन फाइनल वैल्यू आप डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो एक बार इसको देख लीजिए, मेरे वीडियोस को आप एक दो बार इसको रिपीट करिए. यू विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व ऑल काइंड ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल which are belongs to this type, right? Thank you very much.